Hi, I'm Vince Kataya and I want to welcome you to the Ranches at Star Hollow. Come take a ride with me and see everything this gorgeous new country community has for you and your family. The nicely wooded, pretty views, and peaceful creek will make this ranch a great weekend getaway or a primary residence. These 2 to 5+ acre home sites at the Ranches at Star Hollow offer a better way of living. The relaxed country lifestyle will be a welcome change from the stress of the city. You have big hardwood trees, as you can see right behind me. The rolling terrain out here is just gorgeous. You've got lakes all around us. You have Possum Kingdom Lake, Lake Weatherford, the Brazos River. Water recreation is around every corner out here. You'll love the community's great location. It's close to everything. Easy commute to Fort Worth, with Granbury and Weatherford very close for everyday essentials. Granbury has got the charm of every little town in Texas that you see in movies. They've got the beautiful square, all the shopping, the festivals, and Weatherford has the exact same thing, just a little bit different direction. In Weatherford, they also have the Parker County Sheriff's Posse Rodeo. Here at Star Hollow, you're gonna live here permanently, which a lot of people will, or it's gonna be a retirement place, which a lot of people will do that too. It's perfect. Amenities like asphalt paved roads, electric, high-speed internet, and a low cost of living will make you feel right at home. We've been in the land development business for over 50+ years, so you can enjoy the peace of mind when purchasing your home site with us. We never put time frames on our customers, so enjoy the freedom to build now or build later. Plus, choose your preferred builder to create the new country home of your dreams. One of the things that really distinguishes us from some of the other land developers in this industry is we take our time with you. When you come out and visit us, you're not going to feel rushed. One of my favorite things is to go to communities we've done in the past, and there's nothing that gives me more personal joy than driving up and seeing a family that we helped get their land years ago, enjoying their land today. With excellent land financing available, it's never been easier or more affordable to own your large acreage home site in the beautiful Texas countryside. I see properties all the time, and this is one of those that I don't have one bit of doubt is going to go very, very quickly. Don't wait. Give us a call today at 866-952-5398 or visit ranchesatstarhollow.com. We look forward to seeing you soon at the Ranches at Star Hollow.